Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to use the text-to-speech feature on CapCut. So here I've already added a video into the CapCut editor page, and I'm going to use the text-to-speech features. And if you guys don't know how to use that, you can watch this video until the end. So here I'm going to add a text first. Okay, I'm going to type in the text first. Okay, so here is the text. I'm going to click on a check icon and I'm going to resize the text first so that okay, to use the text to speech, you can just click on the text and the text to speech will be show up. Just click on that, and here you can choose the voice that is provided by the CapCut. There are so many voice that you can use. There is this, and these are the new one. There is Jessie.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Joy.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Okay, so Chill Girl.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
And a narrational meal.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Kids vocalist and even a female vocalist.
Hi guys.
Okay, so that's so unique, and there is so adorable girl.
To subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Okay, so you can just choose one of them that fits your needs the most. For example, I just want to use the Chill Girl, I think.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Okay, so when you're done choosing the text-to-speech voice, just click on a check icon. Okay, so after that you can just delete the text and the voice will just be there.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our.
Okay, just wait.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Okay, so I think that's all. That is how you can use the text-to-speech feature. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do click on the thumbs up icon and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye bye.